Hello everybody, welcome to the channel World of Self Learning. I am Mahesh here. Today in this practical we are going to discuss about how to recognize the color rings on the resistor and find the value of resistance practically. Also we will measure the value of resistance with the help of digital multimeter. If you don't know the resistor color code trick, then see the video showing in the I button. Without wasting much time, let's go to the workbench.
Hello friends, welcome to the workbench. As you see in the video intro, we will going to find the resistance value practically. So let's start. Now you can see a resistor on your screen. It has 4 color rings, as you can see, first, then second, then third, and then last is the fourth one. Okay. So as we know, first 2 color rings will represent the digits in the value. The third will represent a multiplier and the fourth will represent the tolerance. Okay, so what are the color present here? First is red, second is red, third is brown, last is gold. If you don't know the trick to remember this color code table, then visit our video in the I button. You will see trick there. So without wasting much time, those who know the trick will start the practical directly. Okay, so what the red constituent in our color code table? Red contributes to the value 2. So second red will also contribute to the value 2. So what our value becomes? 2, 2. Then third is a multiplier. And what is stands for? Brown. Brown stands for 10 to the power 1. So what our value becomes from 3 color bands? It's 2, 2 into 10 to the power 1. Means 220 plus then. What is the fourth band represent? It's a tolerance and it's in a gold color. You can see it's in gold color. Gold means plus minus 5 tolerance. So our value should be 220 ohm plus minus 5%. So we'll verify this value with the help of digital multimeter. Now you can see a digital multimeter on your screen. You can see now I have plugged that resistor into the breadboard. This is called a breadboard. Breadboard means the board in which we can plug the things temporarily and we can remove them off as well. Okay, so I have plugged it for a better standing position. Now we'll measure this value with the help of digital multimeter. And one thing I have to tell you that while we are doing the electronics, we should make an approximations, because for taking accurate reading we will require very high price instrument. So we will get the results approximately near value. So what our previous value was theoretically, it's 220. So let's verify that with a digital multimeter. You can see a digital multimeter on your screen. I will turn on the digital multimeter and put it on the ohms mode of 2000 range. Okay, 2000 range. We will verify our resistance value. I will put the needles now to the resistors to end. You can see the value is 219, approximately 17. Okay, 217. So it's in the range of plus minus 5 precision. So our theoretical value was 220. Practically we got 217 ohms. So that's very much closer to the theoretical value. We can accept that value for the resistance. So that's all in today's practical.
That's all for today's practical. We have seen how to recognize the color rings on the resistor and to find the value of resistor. Also we have seen how to measure the resistance using the digital multimeter. So in the upcoming videos we will explore resistor more in details. So stay tuned for those videos as well. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, push the bell notification to all so you will not miss any of those notifications. One more announcement. We have started a practical electronics crash course on our channel World of Self Learning. In the playlist section, you visit to the playlist known as Practical Electronic Crash Course. You will find many more videos on there. We have started this course from very basic. We will bring it to the advanced levels in upcoming futures. So stay tuned for the next video. We will meet day after tomorrow with a new video with a new concept and practical workbench. If you don't know how to remember the color code table of the resistors, then see the video showing on the right hand side. And if you want to visit our playlist, then see the video showing on the left hand side. So take care. Goodbye.